Warning, contents of this barbecue may cause extreme hunger, finger licking, and spontaneous meat sweat. It's beach day. Sun's out, buns out, burgers, steaks. Let's go. There's Yusuf and I trying to say hello.
Say hi.
So about them steaks, have you seen this?
Fair warning, after trying this recipe, you're not going to want to cook a steak any other way.
And this is how I made my steaks.
Here's the trick. First, hit it with Worcestershire and soy sauce. Follow that up with salt, garlic granules, and fresh ground black pepper. Repeat that process on both sides before heading outside to cook this steak over a charcoal grill. I was using a nice prime ribeye today, so I pulled mine at 125 degrees Fahrenheit internal.
And there you have it. Yay, we made it!
Hi, babe.
As I was recording this, I noticed our steak was burning.
Help me!
Don't worry, our steaks were so good that my husband was drooling.
The ultimate steak. Ready? Set, go.
Dude, not the bother. Can I see your lighter one time?
Oh. Yeah? Wow. Tender.
Juicy? Did I say tender?
It's so tender. And look, a little bit of pink. What do you think?
I would say this is the best steak I ever tasted.
It is so good.
Tender, juicy, soft,
Yep.
a little crispy on the inside, on the outside.
Right. Ready?
Swim time! Round 2, and that means burgers. Oh yeah, someone was excited. And that's a wrap with our bellies full, but the night is not over. But the night is not over.
You can